Okay, so that's it for the experiments. Okay, those are the experiments that you can try at home with the help of your parents. Those things are very easy to do, and those are safe and non toxic. Okay, so now, kids, today we're going to learn about science, and the topic that we will discuss will be the types and properties of materials. Okay, I want you to get your science book. If you can see it from here. Yeah, the science one. Okay, and open it to page 101. 101. Okay, are you ready to learn? Let's begin. 101. Anyways, good morning, everybody. And for those who just entered the room, good morning. All right. What are objects, kids? What are objects? Objects are toys and things around us. Do you have a toy in there? Do you play with a toy? Okay. Earlier in the first period in our conversation, we learned about toys. We learned about the things that we can give to others when their birthday arrived, or what we can receive during our birthday. Those are toys, right? The yo-yo, the jump rope, the robot, the dolls, those are toys. And you know, kids, the toys are an example of objects. Okay, because objects are toys and things around us. Not only not the toys, but also the things that are around us. That means it includes the chair, the pan, the spatula, the table, the paper. Those are all objects. They look different in shape. Some of the things are circle, the things are triangle, some of the things are square. Okay, for example, the clock, it is usually circle. The fan is usually circle. The pan is also circle. And some of the things are triangle. The party hat is triangle. An umbrella, some of them are triangle. Okay? And also the cone, an ice cream cone, it looks like triangle. Some of them are square. The table are usually square. Okay?
Stop watching.
And other things are also square. Okay, open your book to page 101 so you can follow. Page 101. Okay, the first example of materials, okay, that we can see in some of the objects are wood. Okay, the woods. Wood comes from trees that were cut into sheets or pieces. Okay, this is a wood. Can you say it with me, kids? Say wood. You open your microphone and say wood.
Wood.
Okay, very good. Okay. All right. Wood comes from what? A from the cloud. B from the tree. Where does the wood come from? From the cloud or from the tree? Very good. Okay. Chayawat also answered, and some of you answered also. It comes from the trees. Okay. And then they were cut. Okay. The workers cut the trees and then it forms wood. Okay. The next material is rubber. Say rubber.
Rubber.
Okay. There's a lot of rubber trees. Okay. Rubber is a flexible matter made from the juice of rubber trees. Okay. These are called rubber trees, and the juice in it can become rubber. Okay. Then the juice is turned into rubber sheets to make objects. That's why you also have the rubber band, the rubber shoes, okay, rubber mat, because of the material called rubber. Okay, let's go back first. What is this, everybody? What's this? say wood.
Wood.
Wood, okay. And the next one is, what's this?
Rubber. Rubber.
Rubber, very good.
Rubber.
And the third one
Rubber.
are the metals. Okay, the metals come from rocks called ores. Okay, so metals come from,
Oh, metal.
okay, metals come from ores. They can be heated and hammered into sheets or drawn out into the wire. So we shape, or they shape, the metals by heating it, because when it's hot, it becomes flexible. Okay? Okay, they can bend it, they can make shapes into it. Okay, those are metals. Okay?
ที่เท่าไหร่
Oh, it's page 101. 101.
101
Okay, I'm going to send also the page in our message box. Page 101. You see it already, kids? Okay, let's go. Okay, the next example of materials are the rocks. Can you say it? Rocks.
Rock.
Rocks. Okay, the rocks. Good job. The rocks are the okay. The rocks are the surface of the earth. We dig or blow up mountains to get rocks. Okay, this is the surface of the earth, and we can find the rocks. Okay, when we dig, okay, on the earth. Sometimes we also blow up mountains to get rocks. Okay, they are broken into small pieces and used in buildings, roads, containers, and many other. Huh? Okay, it is used in building, in making buildings, right? In building houses, in building roads, in making containers, and other things. Okay, that is what rocks are used for. Okay, let's go back first. What is this first, everybody? What's this?
Wood. Wood.
Okay, what's this? Wood. Very good. It's a wood. What about this one? What's this?
Rubber. Rubber.
Rubber. Good job. And next one, what's this?
Metal. Metal.
Metal. Very good. And next, lastly, what's this? What are these? Say rocks.
Rocks.
Rocks. Very good. They are rocks. Okay. The next one is what's this?
Paper. Paper.
Paper. Very good. I think this is the most common for the kids. The paper. Paper, kids, is made from trees. Oh, paper is also made from trees. Okay, so the wood and the paper are both made from trees. Okay, wood becomes paper by cutting it into chips. Okay, so the wood are cut in a very, very thin layer and then blending it into wood pulp. And then after that, they boil it and then they add chemicals which makes it into a sheet. Okay, so that's what they do. They cut it in a very, very thin layer and then blend it into wood pulp and then they boil it, they add chemicals, and it becomes now sheets that we are using. Okay, the books has a lot of paper on it, right? Okay, these are paper, right? Okay, you also have a paper, right, in your book and notebooks. Okay, that is a paper. What about this one? What is this? What's this?
Plastic.
Plastic. Very good. The plastics are made from crude oil and natural gases by chemical processes. It crude oil. Oh, that means okay. That means that the plastic are made by oil. And then the plastics are used for making object. For example, this one, what's this? A plastic
Plastic. Plastic.
bottle. This is a plastic bottle. Therefore, it is made of plastic. Okay. Plastic is made of crude oil. Okay, let's go back again. Let's review the words. Okay. What's this, everybody?
Wood.
Good. Very good. What about this one?
Rubber.
Rubber. And this one?
Metal.
Metal. Very good. And this one?
Rocks.
Rocks. Okay, rocks. And then what's this?
Paper.
Paper and
Plastic.
plastics. Good job. Okay. The next the next one are fabrics. Fabrics are made from fibers. Oh, that's why we call it fabric, because it is made of fibers. Some fabrics are made from natural fibers such as silk and wool. What are natural fibers? Okay, they are from the plants. Okay, that is the natural fiber. Those are the fiber that comes from the plants. Okay, like pineapple. Okay, the pineapple leaves. Okay, and some other plants. Some are made from synthetic fibers such as nylon. Okay, nylon is an example of synthetic. What is synthetic fiber? Synthetic fiber are the fiber that are made by humans, made by people. We are people, right? Okay. Okay. Okay, what's this?
Glass.
Glass. Very good. Glass, kids, is made by melting sand. Oh, so glass is made from sand being melted at a very high temperature. That means when it is very high temperature, that means it's very hot. Okay, very hot. Glass can be made into things of different shapes, such as bottles. Okay, bottles and the glasses, like dollar. Dollar is wearing glasses, right? Like this. Okay, those are made of glass. Okay, let's go back again. Let's review from word to word. What's this?
Rule.
Good, very good. What about this one? Rubber and
Metal.
metal and rocks. Okay, and next,
Paper.
paper and plastics and
Rubber.
okay, fabric. Okay, very good. Good job. And
Glass.
glass. Okay, those are the things or the materials that we can use in making objects. Okay? Now, what is this? This closet is made of... Okay, the closet is made of what? What is it made of? Say wood.
Wood.
Okay, the closet is made out of wood. Okay, remember the closet? This kind of closet is made of wood. What about this one? The curtain. Curtain is made of fabric. Very good. The curtain is made of fabric. What about this one? The book is made of
Paper.
Paper. Paper.
paper. Very good. The book is made of paper. What about the mirror? The mirror is made of
Glass. Glass.
glass. Okay, this part of the mirror, okay, the center part of the mirror is made of glass because sometimes the frame is made of different materials, but the center part, okay, which is the most important part, is made of glass. Okay, next, the base is made of, okay, say clay.
Clay.
Clay. Okay. This is a new material. We haven't introduced it in the first part. Okay, but the clay is um, a very sticky kind of soil that can be formed. And when it is heat, okay, it will be hard. Okay, that is a clay. Next word, what is this? This ball is made of
Plastic. Plastic.
plastic. Okay, this ball is made of plastic. But other examples of ball are made of rubber. But this one, only this one, for example, is made of plastic. Okay, science facts. Materials can be divided into two groups, the man-made and the natural. Okay, the natural things or the natural materials are those such as wood, rock, rubber, and clay. Okay, let's repeat. Wood, rock, rubber, and clay. Okay, those are natural because we cannot make like that. We cannot make wood by ourselves. We cannot make rock. We cannot make rubber. We cannot make clay. But it's already in the nature. Okay? It's already in the environment. That's why we call it natural materials. The next example of materials are the man-made materials. It comes from the word man-made. That means that humans made it. We people made it. Okay, those things are the metal, plastic, and paper. Okay, wait a minute. I'm going to charge my laptop. Okay, you may inhale and exhale first. Breathe in. Okay, let's continue. We have the natural materials and the man-made materials. Okay,
แป๊บหนึ่งหน้าไหน ไม่รู้
okay, now we are in page 104. 104.
เห็นว่านะ
Okay, what is this object? What's this?
น้องไปนั่งดูก่อนค่ะ
What is this? Say a vase.
Paper. Paper.
Say a vase.
Red.
Okay. A vase is made this kind of vase, okay? This kind of vase is a glass because some vase comes from or made of clay. Some vase are made of clay, but this one only is made of glass.
แล้วแม่
Okay.
ก็งานยุ่งนี้
This vase is made of glass. Next one, the balloons. The balloons are made of
Rabbit. Rabbit. Rabbit.
rubber. Okay, rubber. Very good. Rubber. Okay, rubber. The balloons are made of rubber. What about the hair clip? Hair clip. Do you have like this? The hair clip? What is it made of?
เคยเรียนเรื่อง
It is made of two materials. And what are those two materials?
น่าจะเป็นเรื่องนี้แหละวัตถุนี่แหละ
We have the metal and fabric. The metal and fabric. Okay, two materials for the hair clip. What about the scissors? Scissors made of two materials. What are those materials?
Plastic. Plastic and metal.
Plastic and metal. Very good. Plastic and metal. Scissors are made of plastic and metal. Okay, now I want you to open your book to page 98. Page 98. 98. And we will decide. Okay, I'm going to send the page also. Page 98. Yes, 98.
Okay.
98. 98. Did you see it? Okay. Okay. What can you see in picture number 1? What can you see in picture number 1? Is it A, glass, B, stone, C, plastic, or D, fabric? What is number 1?
A.
A, glass. Okay. So what we're going to do is to match the glass into the word glass. Letter A. Okay. Glass. This one, this glass. Okay. To letter A. Finish number 1?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, what about the others? Are you finished already? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I think we can move on. This is a very easy activity. Is it easy? Okay, what about this one? A shirt. A shirt. What is it made of? Is it A, glass, B, stone, C, plastic, or D, fabric?
B.
Letter?
B.
Letter?
B.
Very good. It is made of fabric. Fabric. Okay, so we're going to match the T-shirt to the
B.
fabric. D, dog. Dog.
Happy.
Okay, are you finishing number 2?
Finish all
Finish number 2?
Finish addition. Finish addition.
Okay, you get your book.
Finish for the children will become the West is
Okay, you get your book. And, okay, match it. For example, this glass. You're going to match it to the glass. You're going to draw lines from this to this. Okay?
Number 2.
Okay, number 2. Number 2 letter.
D.
Two letter. D, dog. D, dog. It's letter D, fabric.
Finish.
Okay. Okay, let's go to number 3. Number 3, what is it made of? A, glass, B, stone, C, plastic, or D, fabric?
C.
Letter
D.
B, very good. It is made of stone. Okay. Match it to the stone. Kids, do you hear me clearly, or is it
Finish.
unclear?
Number 3.
Okay.
Finish.
Number 4. Okay. What is it made of? A, B, C, or D?
You are in
Glass, plastic, or fabric? C, plastic. Very good. This is made of plastic. So we're going to match the number 4 to letter C, plastic. Is it easy? Is it easy? Okay, very easy. Okay, now I want you to open your book to page 100.
100.
Go to page 100.
Oh no.
100. I'm going to show you again.
เสร็จแล้วเปิดแล้วค่ะ
Oh. Page 100. Like this, okay? Can you see it?
Yes, yes.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so let's begin. We're going to decide in the first part. Okay, I'm going to show you again. In the first part, okay, these are the words. In the first part, you're going to write the material. So is it A, paper, or B, plastic? For example, in number 1, the answer is letter A, paper.
Why?
So we're going to write we're going to write paper in here. And how many
A,
materials
A.
are there? 1. Okay,
A.
so we're going to write 1 here, okay? Do you understand? Okay, here we're going to write the material, and here we're going to write how many materials are there. Okay, so let's go.
Finish.
Oh, you're finished. Okay, so that's number 1. The book is made of A, paper, or B, plastic. The answer here is paper. Okay. Number 2, you're going to decide. Okay. Number 2, eraser. Is it A, paper, B, rubber?
มีรับมือเป็นอะไรก็เขียนไม่ดิ
What is the eraser made of? A, paper, B, rubber. Hmm? A, paper, B, rubber.
B.
B, rubber. Okay, and how many materials? How many materials? 1 or 2? 1. Okay, so we're going to write 1 in here. Okay, write it first.
B E R.
Finished?
Yes.
เสร็จแล้วยัง
Okay.
บอกว่าไง
Yes.
Okay, next one. Number 3. Key. A key. What is it made of? Is it A, metal, B, rubber? A, metal, B, rubber. Key. A, metal, B, rubber.
A.
A, metal. Okay, so you're going to write metal.
1.
And how many materials are used? How
1.
many materials? 1. Very good.
1.
Yes.
Finish.
Good job. Next. Finished? Okay,
Yes.
let's go to number 4. Okay, what is this made of? Number 4 is a foamy stone. A, metal, B, rubber. Oh, I think the choices are wrong. Wait a minute. Okay, what is it made of?
B.
Very good. It's letter B. It's made of stone. That's why it's called pumice stone. Okay. How many material are there? How many materials? One. Okay. So we're going to write one on our book. Thomas. Word. Next, number 5. What is it? What's the materials? A. Metal and rubber. B. Metal and plastic.
B.
B. Metal and plastic. And how many materials?
One.
How many materials? No. Metal and plastic. How many materials?
Two.
Two. Very good. Now we're going on with the two materials, the metal and the plastic.
Picture. ก็เราไปกันเลย
Finish?
ว่าเราไม่แบบนี้
Okay.
ก็เลย
Take your time. Okay, and then when you're finished, say finish.
นี่นี่จาน
นี่อะไรอ่ะ
โทษน้องผิดไม่โดน
Finish?
ไปหยิบตั้ง
Finish?
เนี่ย
ซี
Okay.
ตา
Let's go to number 6. Number 6, what is it made of? What is the chair made of? A. Wood and metal. B. Plastic and paper. A. Wood and metal. And how many materials are used? Two materials. The wood and the metal.
น้ำมือโซ
Finished?
No.
Okay, no worries, no pressure.
Yes.
Take your time.
Teacher ข้อ A.
Yes.
Finish.
Good job. Is everybody finished?
Hãy cô đạp cho nó độ No.
Okay, take your time.
Kết thúc.
Finish. Teacher finish. Finish.
Very good. Okay, next part. Finish, everybody. Finished?
Finish.
Okay, I think so. Nobody's saying no.
How's it finish?
Okay, number 7. Okay, what is it made of? What is the rubber shoes made of? Is it A, rubber and metal, B, rubber and fabric? A, rubber and metal, B, rubber and fabric.
Rubber and B.
Some says A, some says B, but the correct answer is letter B, rubber and fabric.
Finish. Nhà hỏa ban khơi à? Hôm nay là mình ngơ rồi. Emไม่เห็นสักคนเราเรียนกับมวลอากาศเราก็เลยเห็น4 คนเราไม่เห็นที่เชื่อเลยเราก็ไม่เห็นที่เชื่อหรอเดี๋ยวเราไปให้ลูกซันเห็นที่เชื่อหรอเราไม่เห็นนะถ้าลูกซัน
Finish?
โอเคมาแล้วที่เชื่อมาแล้ว
Okay, let's go back. Let's go to number 8. Number 8. What is this made of? Clear glass. A glass, B cloth. A, it's made of glass. And how many materials? One. Okay. Okay, you write it first.
Number one.
Finish?
Teacher. Yes, finish.
Okay, let's wait for the others who are still writing.
Finish.
Good job. Let's wait for the others.
Finish, teacher, finish.
Very good. Okay, let's wait for Flap. Okay, finish?
Yeah. Teacher, finish.
Okay, I think everybody's finished.
Finish.
Okay, for the conclusion, we found that the objects are made of different materials such as what? Okay, you're going to pick from A, glass, B, wood, C, cloth, D, metal, E, rubber, or F, paper. Okay, the materials that are made of what? You're going to pick from the following words. Okay? Any word will do.
A.
You can write A, you can write B, you can write C. You can write anything.
E. ข้อไหนอ่ะข้อไหน
Okay, for example, we're going to give paper. For example, paper.
ไม่เชื่อ
Letter F.
เชื่อว่าข้อ
But
ไหน
you can
อ่ะ
actually write any of them.
ข้อ A ข้อ B ข้อ D ข้อ E ข้อ F ข้อไหนอ่ะ
F
เชื่อครับ
F. F. Paper.
ที่เชื่ออันนี้ค่าเรียนที่2แล้วค่ะ วิชาเดิมอ้อย
Okay, you write paper.
นะไม่ได้ใช้
Okay. Okay. That is the last part of our activity. We learned that some objects are made of one type of material, but some are made. Okay, yes. But some are made of many types of materials. Different types of materials are useful for different jobs. Okay? Some materials has one material, and some objects has one material. Some objects has two or more materials. Okay? What are the examples of materials? The wood. What else? Wood. Paper. What else? Plastic. Metal and rubber. What else? Huh?
เปเปอร์แล้วก็กลาสใช่ไหมคะ
Yes. Okay. Those are the examples of materials. Okay. You have no homework today, but you're going to take a picture of the things that you have done. A page homework. So you're just going to send a picture. Pages 98 and 100. Okay, so you may copy this, and after copying, you may say goodbye to your friends. Okay?
ก็แปดและ
ลุ้นก่อน
Okay, after copying this, you may say goodbye to your friends. Okay, for those who are finished, bye-bye.
98 and
บายบายที่เจอบายบาย
Bye-bye, Jokun.
บายบายเยอะๆเล่น
Bye, Prod.
Bye.
Bye.
98 and 100 Goodbye teacher Goodbye